Good morning, Broadway bitches. How are you all? I hope you are all okay. Happy Saturday, guys. So, I thought I would come and pop on. It's been a little while since I came and said hello to you guys. It's been busy here at Broadway. We've had lots of clients booked in recently, so we've been really busy. Hello, Kate. How are you? So, as you're jumping on, please feel free to come and say hi to me in the comments. I mean, I am known for chatting to myself, if I'm honest, but it's always nice to chat to you guys as well. So feel free to drop a comment. And if you would be so kind, I would very much appreciate it if you could share this live out publicly as well. So, hey, darling, I hope you're all right, my darling. I hope you're having a lovely weekend so far. So, I thought I would literally come and chat to you guys for a few minutes. I'm not planning to be on very long, but I do like to talk, as you know. And I do get very distracted as well. So, there's that. I'm very sorry that it is a bit dark in the camera. My ring light has decided to die. So that's always good. But anyways, let's carry on. So I thought I would come chat to you. I need to get ready. I've got a client in a couple of hours. So I need to just chuck some stuff on my face. I've done my skincare and I'm just going to do a really simple makeup look. But I don't know about any of you guys. I've kind of lost my mojo a bit with makeup recently on myself. Not on clients, I'm happy to say, because that wouldn't be very good, obviously, when they're paying me to do their face. Not with clients at all, but with my own makeup. I kind of feel like I've lost my mojo. I feel like I've lost my confidence with wearing bold, bright colours. I've kind of lost my confidence with doing my face art like I love doing for you guys. And I'm kind of really, you too, you've been very basic recently, Kate. I know, and do you know what? Quite a few people have messaged us about this as well. So that's why I thought I'd come on and talk to you guys, because I've been feeling exactly the same way. And I think I feel a lot better in my skin since I did my own kind of little skincare challenge a few weeks ago that some of you were coming along for the ride. And I think because I've been generally happier in my own skin, and some of the skincare products that I'm now adding into my routine is definitely making a difference. And I think it's starting to change some of the shape of like my eyes and things like that, like the retinol I've started using and things. Amazing, by the way. Anyways, back to topic. Told you I get distracted. But I feel like because of that, I've not been wearing makeup as much. And then when I have, like you, Kate, I've been really basic. You know, touch of mascara, maybe a bit of tinted moisturiser, bit of lip gloss possibly, most of the time not. And that's been pretty much it. And I think a lot of people last year as well. Hey, Jenny, how are you? And I think a lot of people last year, over all those months with lockdowns and everything else, stopped wearing makeup so much as well. So I think some of us have really lost our confidence wearing it. So I thought I would do a little series, a bit like I did the basic skincare routine over the last few weeks. I thought I'd do a back to basics makeup application series, just to kind of get us back into it a bit. You know, and also give you guys some tips and tricks along the way. And for anyone that actually is only just getting into makeup or actually has never heard of some of these bits and pieces before. So please feel free to share me out there, because even if it only helps one person, you know, I'm happy. You know, I'd love to make a difference to at least one person. You're okay. Back to work Monday after isolating. Oh, Jenny, bless you. I hope you're all right. I hope... Well, it's not good that you were isolating, but I hope you were just having to isolate. I hope you're not poorly, bless you. I'm really good, thank you. So, I have done my skincare this morning. My skin is all fresh and ready. So, when you do your skincare, your daily skincare, if you do a daily skincare routine, if not, go back and watch my daily skincare routine videos, and that will help you out. The last thing you would have put on your face would have been moisturiser and or SPF. Preferably, hopefully, including SPF. But obviously, you know, that's your prerogative. So, if you haven't got a skincare routine, before you start putting any makeup on your face, your skin needs hydration. So you need to either be putting on SPF on its own, a moisturiser that has SPF in it, or a moisturiser if you're not having any SPF on. Which, if you're not, shame on you. You should wear your SPF every single day at minimum of factor 30. Anyway, getting back off of my high horse. Contact with... Oh my God, no, you caught it, Jenny. Luckily, I only had like cold-like symptoms. Oh, thank goodness you're on the mend now, Jenny. I really hope you're okay, and I'm glad that you weren't too poorly with it. That's very hairy, scary. So, you absolutely want to hydrate your face before putting on any makeup. And this goes for whatever skin type you have, whether you've got oily skin, whether you've got combination skin, whether you've got dry Sahara Desert skin like me, you still want to hydrate your skin before putting on any makeup, because it helps to give you a smoother, fresher surface to work from in the beginning. So it will give you a nicer base for any of your complexion products like foundation, tinted moisturisers, anything like that, concealer even. It will give you a much nicer base to work on for your makeup. Been using a cream daily and no makeup for ages. Face feels so much better. Yeah, I know, Jenny. I've literally been going makeup free a lot of the time, and just because I think I feel so much better in my skin since I've been doing my skincare routine, and my skin looks so much better. I think because I'm so kind of pleased with it and I feel good in myself. But it means I do feel like I've kind of lost my makeup application mojo. So, after you've hydrated your skin, do any of you guys use a makeup primer before you apply your makeup? Let me know in the comments. Whether you're watching live or on replay, let me know in the comments if you use a primer. And let me know which one you use as well, because if I haven't tried it, I might try it out. If you tell me it's an amazing one, I want to know. Because a few people have recommended Milk Hydro Grip Primer to me, which I haven't tried yet. So I'm like, because it's quite a pricey one. I'm like, do I do it? You've lost your makeup mojo as well, Jenny. Yeah. Kate said exactly the same thing, and I'm feeling exactly the same. And I know Becky has a little bit as well. And we've had quite a few people message saying the same thing over the last couple of weeks. And a lot of our clients we've been to the last couple of weeks as well. Oh, Kate, you've got it. What, the Milk Hydro Grip? But you've tried better ones. That's interesting, because the Milk Hydro Grip is not the cheapest primer out there, is it? So that's why I've been really debating, because like you've just said, the reviews are very mixed. And I'm like, that's a lot of money if it's not that great. So you've got a Hydra Pro Vitamin D water cream from Avon and couldn't fault it. You like the Dr. Brandt ones, Kate. I'm going to look into all of these suggestions, girlies. Keep them coming. Loving this. See, I love this, that we can like share different products that we've tried, that we like, that we don't like. Because how much help is this for like you guys and me and anyone else that watches this video later on? So, for anyone else that's never tried a primer or doesn't know a lot about them, there's lots and lots and lots of different types of primers on the market. You can get some are like sprays. You can get some, like Jenny said, like a cream. You get some that are silicone based, dimethicone based. So they feel very kind of slippery, silky on the skin and create kind of a different surface on the skin. But you get some that are, ideally their purpose is hydration. So you kind of have to play about with what's best for you and your skin and what your purpose of the primer is. Generally, a lot of makeup primers will help to extend your makeup and hold them on for longer as well. Not always, but a lot of them will help to grip whatever complexion products you put on afterwards. So they help to make your makeup last that little bit longer. You use a night cream from Avon too, which is good, and your skin is so clear. That's awesome, Jenny. I've heard some good things about Avon's anti-aging ranges and stuff lately. They've like really upped their skincare game massively over the last few months. So I'm quite interested to try some of those maybe. I have been trying a lot of moisturisers lately. Yeah, a lot. Bit like when we did the cleanser review a couple of weeks ago. Me and Becky will come and do a moisturiser review with the ones we've been doing, but very pricey. But Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base is the best. Oh, nice. See, girls, I don't always mind pricey like you guys, if it works. If it does the job I want it to do, and it's affordable, as in even if it's on the pricey end, but I can afford it, but it does what it says it's going to do, and it does a brilliant job, then I'm up for that. So I'm going to definitely look into the Bobbi Brown one. Right, like I say, there's lots of different types of primers. A lot of the spray primers, their main function is hydration. The dimethicone sort of silicone-based primers are more to create a different surface on your skin. So if you're someone that's got quite a bit of texture, they're kind of good for texture. Sometimes if you were to use those on a very regular basis, if you've got dry skin, they can dry your skin out more. You can get other ones that haven't got as much dimethicone in, but are still more hydrating. They're a bit more like a creamy texture, more like a lotion, so that they give a bit of a smoothing, blurring effect, but they are hydrating at the same time. You can get some that literally fill in your pores. There are all different ones, so it's all about what you want. I personally, even though I've got dry skin, I really like this one at the moment, but you know, you try different ones and you change your mind from time to time, and you know, things change. But I really like this one at the minute. It's a very dimethicone based one, so it's a very silky, satiny kind of feel, and you can feel it on your skin. It makes your skin feel a different texture, and because I do tend to have some texture of old scarring around this area in particular, I really like that because it kind of smooths out those spots on me before I put my makeup on. And even though I've got dry skin, even though I'm a makeup artist, as I've just said, I don't wear makeup every day. So for me, I don't worry about it too much drying out my skin, because I don't always wear it every day, and two, I am very good at putting lots and lots of hydrating skincare on my skin now, to counteract it. But I literally, with my primer, so your primer, you don't need to always put it over your whole entire face. If it's a spray, you're going to tend to put it over. But for me, with this one, I just tend to pop it and just smooth it over the areas where I've got more texture. So I've put it here where I've got sort of more texture from a bit of bumpiness and scars and from breakouts and stuff. I put it here on my chin. I've got some quite big pores on my chin. And this one kind of just smooths over the surface of these textures, if you like, to create a smooth canvas. So it's giving you a new canvas on the top of your skin, if you like. There we go. And it just smooths everything out. And it does give like quite a blurring effect as well. So with the primer, even if you're not going to be wearing makeup, you can wear a primer even on those non-makeup days, if you just want a bit of a kind of blurring, airbrushed filter effect, you know. If you're not bothered, don't bother putting it on, but there you go. And I literally, just like that, just put it in the areas where I feel I have slightly more texture. just on my frown line. Although my frown line is reducing with the retinol. It's getting better. It is definitely getting better, peeps. So there we go. And there's my primer. And that's all I tend to do with my primer. Like I say, there's lots and lots of different ones. Now the other thing I do like to do to prime my skin, if I'm just doing an everyday basic makeup like I've been doing recently, like just putting on a bit of BB cream, CC cream, something like that, and then a bit of mascara maybe, bit of lip gloss, I probably wouldn't bother with this. If I'm doing a full makeup, like doing a full on makeup look, an eyeshadow, the whole shebang, then I will actually get my setting spray, which I use the Urban Decay All Nighter. But there are hundreds of setting sprays out there. I can recommend this one, but I have just ordered a different one to try as well. This is very good. I do like to give it a little shake first. But if I was going to do a all, you know, singing, dancing face, what retinol do I use? I've been using the Inky List one, and you're impressed so far. Oh, I haven't tried that one, Kate. I am currently using one from Face Theory. I've using their 2% retinol, but I have just bought their 3% to move up to when I've stopped using, like when I finish the 2% as well. So that's really interesting to know that the Inky List one is good as well. Retinol has to be my new favourite skincare thing ever. Anyway, it's amazing. Anyways, I do like to just spritz my face with my setting spray over the top of my primer, because I've got my primer, which the primer I use, like I say, kind of smooths out that surface and creates a new texture, a different texture on my skin to get rid of my bumpy areas or my overly porous areas. And then I just give my face a spray with my setting spray. Then any products that I'm going to put on top, the setting spray is going to help grip to my face for even longer, so that my makeup is going to last longer and all of that, which is amazing. Most people tend to use obviously their setting spray, fixing spray after their makeup, and that's absolutely fine. I do that too, but I do like to pop a little bit on just before I put my makeup on as well, because I think for me personally, I find for my skin, putting it on at both ends really makes the difference to making it last that extra amount of time without having to worry about touching up and all of those kinds of things. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful Saturday. If any of you watch this back on replay, please let me know if you use any different primers as well, and if you really like them, if you rate them, if you don't rate them as well. If you've tried some that were really pants, let me know. Equally, let me know if you've never used a primer before and you're now thinking about using one. I would love to know that as well. So yeah, I hope you guys all have a fabulous weekend, and we will have to do a live about retinol as well, Kate, because like I say, it's my new wonder favourite skincare ingredient. I love the stuff. And I know Becky does too. We love it. So have a wonderful rest of your weekend, whatever you're doing. I hope you have a nice relaxing time, or find a bit of time for yourselves. So look after yourselves very much. Jenny, I really hope you get better very soon. Been nice watching my live. Oh, thank you, girly wellies. Right, I'm going to go and finish getting ready so that I can get in the car and go off to my client. So see you soon. Mwah. Bye for now.